Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will be analyzing crop data using digital elevation model DEM, digital terrain models DTM, and multi-spectral imagery. The tutorial inspired by the Drone Mapper crop analysis project. First, download the data from the Drone Mapper crop analysis data repository and extract it into the data directory of your notebook. The data includes DEM data. This file provides terrain elevation, orthomosaic data. This contains bands red, green, blue, near, red edge, and thermal. DTM data. This represents the bare earth surface and shapefiles. Plant count, shapefile, plots 1 and plots 2. Make sure these files are correctly placed in the data directory for proper analysis. Importing required libraries for geospatial analysis and visualization, including NumPy, Rasterio, Matplotlib, EarthPy, GeoPandas, Raster Sharply, Pandas, and CV2. Data loading and preprocessing. Let's start by loading the raster data. We define load raster data, then load DEM and orthomosaic data. For DEM data, we will use the first band, which contains elevation values. For the red edge band from the orthomosaic data, use band 5, which is number 4. We generate a hillshade effect for better visualization of terrain. Let's visualize our data. Firstly, we define plot RGB composites to create subplots to display various composites of the orthomosaic and elevation data. Figure size 20 and 20. First, plot RGB, then plot near, plot red edge, and finally plot elevation data with a hillshade overlay. After we define it, we apply this function with the ortho data, red masked elevation data, and hillshade effect. This is output of our data. RGB composite, near, red edge band, and elevation. Function definitions for zonal statistics computation and visualization. We define compute zonal status for a given area and raster data. Parameters include AOI, data, transform, stats list, which includes count, minimum, mean, maximum, median, and standard deviation. After that, we define plot zonal statistics. Parameters include data, stats.df, title, color map, and so on. NDVI calculation and visualization. For calculate NDVI, we define calculate NDVI from orthomosaic data. Parameters include ortho data, and it returns NDVI index as a NumPy array between -1 and 1. After that, we define plot NDVI function. Parameters include NDVI index, plots AOI, DEM transform. Then we load area of interest shapefile to define areas for analysis. Plots1 shapefile. Then we calculate NDVI using calculate NDVI function with the ortho data. Then plot the NDVI with the AOI plots overlay for spatial analysis using plot NDVI function. This is the output, NDVI and area of interest plots. Zonal statistics computation and visualization for NDVI. We define plot zonal statistics. This function creates a plot of raster data with an overlay of zonal statistics. Then we compute NDVI zonal statistics using defined compute zonal statistics. After that, convert the compute statistics to a geodata frame and save it as CSV file. Finally, plot the NDVI zonal statistics with a defined color range. That's the NDVI with the plot of mean values. Now, zonal statistics calculation and visualization for canopy mean height. First, we define the plotting extent to visualize the raster data. We use a function to compute the extent of our raster data for accurate plotting. Next, we load the area of interest, AOI, shapefile for our plots. After that, we compute zonal statistics for our AOI. This will give us statistics like count, mean, and standard deviation for each plot. After that, we convert it to geodata frame and save it as CSV file. Then we create a plot to visualize the elevation data. We use the show function to display the raster data and then overlay the mean values from our zonal statistics. Then we added annotations to show the mean values at the centroid of each point. Finally, we set the plot title and display the plot. The output is DEM and plot canopy mean height. Thermal data computation and visualization. We define the function calculate thermal data, which convert thermal data to Celsius and mask non-positive values and return thermal data as a masked array in Celsius. After that, we compute thermal mean statistics, then convert it to geodata frame and save it as CSV file. After that, plot thermal mean statistics and overlay the mean values from the zonal statistics of thermal data. Then annotate the mean value on the plot Finally, display the plot. The output of our figure, thermal data, and values in degrees Celsius. Canopy model analysis and volume computation. We calculate zonal statistics for the Canopy model and added the volume and area calculations and save it as CSV file. We load the AOI polygons and DTM data and create a Canopy model by subtracting the DTM from the elevation data. Canopy model equal elevation data minus elevation DTM. Then compute zonal statistics for each plot. The output, sum, count, minimum, mean, and maximum. Then convert it and save as CSV file. After that, create a figure with a single subplot to visualize the Canopy model and volume. After that, overlay the volume data on the Canopy model plot. Annotate the plot with the volume values, then display the plot. The Canopy layer with the volume value in blue color. That's it, and thank you for watching.